What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to go to another gym. So in Toa Payoh there's like two active SG gym, the one at the west and I think the one at the central. I've always been going to the one at the central and now I just want to check out the one at the west community club. So yeah, it's on the 3rd floor just beside the car park. Yeah, it's around the same distance from my house for both central and the west community club. So yeah, why not give it a try? And from the looks of it, the gym is pretty small, very small compared to the other one. So yeah, maybe there'll be lesser people, I'm hoping. And yeah, I'll get to see what kind of equipment they have right there. So yeah, I've got like another 5 more minutes until my slot, until the slot that I booked. So yeah, it's right now it's like 2:55, so 5 more minutes. I have my slot from 3 to 4:30. So yeah, can't wait to check it out. Okay, imagine if you are one of those people living at these blocks. It's so convenient. Just come down and there's the gym. Man, I'm impressed with that gym. So basically they have different different rooms for different workouts. Like free weights are in one room, treadmill, bicycle, all those cardio stuff are in another room. Then there's like a stretching area. There's not a lot of people. It's not crowded at all. I'm really surprised because the room itself is really small. I'm very sure that they limited the amount of people who are in the gym. So for the Toa Payoh Central gym, so it's like a whole big gym, and then they put around 38 people in total. But then for this one, it's like it's like a very small room, but you have everything you need. So I think that is pretty cool. So yeah, this might be my go-to gym in the future. And man, I literally have chicken legs. So plan today was to go in, get some legs workout. So I planned like 5 exercises and I only managed to do 2 and I got knocked out, man. My legs were literally shaking. I can't feel my legs. What the hell? Weak. Yeah, maybe because I played football yesterday, but I don't think that's a good excuse. So yeah, instead I went on to do like push exercises, chest, shoulders. Yeah. Wow, I can't believe my legs are so weak. I gotta train more, man. Gotta train more.
Same thing in descending order. You put quick right? Yeah, to cover. No, we need to I see okay, so what defines a beer, yo? It's a beer that's not forward with a multi-flavor, usually golden to amber and then moderate in strength. Fucking